We also have hit some snags when it comes to our bikes. Like I blew my bike up, Paul blew his bike up. We're just having some hard times there.
Happened in the last 24 hours, so it's still fresh.
I will be away for about 2.5 weeks for Sturgis. It's the longest time I've been away for a while.
How confident am I? On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say on us getting product there and being able to be there, I would say a 9.8. On what bikes are showing up and if we'll be able to ride them, a 2.4.
Where we're at with Sturgis is we have the entire PO ready to go on pallets, all wrapped up and ready to ship off.
90 pipes, 20 dashes, ready to go.
We somehow managed to get the pipes all wrapped up and ready in the short amount of time that we had.
It was ready yesterday. We're really hoping it goes out of here today.
It's waiting pickup right now. Yeah, it's wrapped up.
Brent's done a great job working with our collabs to get everything worked out on giveaways and goodies that you may or may not win if you show up.
Collaborations, we got some great collaborations coming up for Sturgis. We've got Odin Manufacturing, we've got Fox Racing Suspension, we've got Sawicki Cycle, and we've got Blackfly Sunglasses. Every one of them is donating parts of the giveaways. We're gonna have 2 major giveaways. We're also gonna have minor giveaways every day that there's not a major giveaway. We have 2 exhausts from Sawicki Speed, 2 sets of heavy hitters for the major giveaways from Odin Manufacturing. So we've got a bunch of sticker packs and keychains from Odin. We've got hats from Speed Kings, sticker packs. Fox, we've got some mixed assets between some hats, some shop banners, and a couple of other things. Some Blackfly swag. So yeah, we've got a ton of stuff we're gonna be giving away. Ooh, the bikes. That's a tricky question. We've got my motor's together. I'm doing shakedown on it right now. I'm waiting on a couple of last parts to really dial it in. I have great people I work with that help me keep my motor running. I couldn't do it without them. Paul's bike we got the new motor in for that. It's over getting worked on. I was there with it last night.
I ran it too hot. The motor, it started to run a little bit funny. Rather than rebuild the top end and still have 70,000 miles on the bottom end, I decided to pull the trigger and buy a new-ish motor off of eBay. Just gonna switch that one in there, get it running so it's good to go. And then I'll take my time to rebuild the motor that was in there over the period of time that money allows.
And it should be ready to ride the week of leaving for Sturgis. So we're cutting it close, but I mean, sometimes you just gotta grind it out.
Last minute issues, yes, definitely. Unfortunately, although I was super excited to be going on this trip, I am not gonna be able to make it as the new GM here, and with all the moving pieces that we have, I just have so much going on, and it would be a bit reckless, a little too soon in my path here to be gone for 2 weeks.
We have recently introduced an ERP system to try and streamline our production and materials purchasing process. Michael's gonna be hanging back here so that he can focus on getting that all integrated and uploaded and going so that we can provide the best client service for Sawicki possible and be able to give accurate lead times and estimated ship times, and then also be able to build our in-house inventory so we can have same-day shipping on majority of the products. It's super imperative that we get that done with where we're going in this company.
I'm entrusting Paul and Brent to go and do what they do best, and also have a good time doing it, and I'll be here if they need anything and at home base.
I'm excited to be on the road. I'm excited to be on the way up there and getting there. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be good, it's gonna be hot. I'll be thankful to be there, and I'm thankful to have Paul with me still.
I mean, I'm excited, more nervous than anything. It's a big trip, lots of moving parts, and there's still a lot of stuff that we need to get finished up beforehand.
I still have to weld up our displays. I've got to make a template and a jig, then go actually physically weld up the 2 displays that we got to make.
And then we're getting down to the wire now. That big order for JP is out of the way, so that's good. Now it's just kind of getting the trailer ready, getting the bikes ready.
Trying to get the trailer decaled and get it ready to go for Sturgis so it can present well since it'll be there.
For the J&P journey, although I'm not going to be there, unfortunately, please come stop by and see Brendan Paul and whoever else is there supporting Sawicki. We'll be at J&P, of course, between Fox and Saddleman.
We'll be in the parking lot of J&P Cycles right there on Lazelle Street.
We're going to really have this dialed in and be beautiful.
We will be there from the 24th or the 25th of July all the way through August 10th or 11th, whatever that last day is.
Brent, Paul, thank you guys so much for sacrificing so much time. Have fun, be safe, and ride safe.
And if you've enjoyed this journey so far, the build up to Sturgis, you can follow along on Instagram and Facebook. We'll be posting periodically.
Stay tuned for more because we're going to have a ton of exciting things happening, from giveaways to nightlife to, I mean, just day-to-day sweating in the swamp during the summer. So it's going to be a great time. Stay tuned for more. If you can't make it, we're definitely going to be your resource to make you feel like you're there.
But make sure that for this journey and the next one and the next one and the next one, follow us on YouTube and the socials. It's a huge help. Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, all that stuff that people say. And thanks again. Really happy to have all you guys along with us on this trip and all the journeys to come. Yeah, huge thanks from me. Appreciate it.
Here we go.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications.